Welcome to the studio. I am so excited that you're here. My name is Kylie, and today I thought we could practice our drawing. There are lots of ways to draw everything, not one right way to draw anything, but here's one way you can try to draw a unicorn. Let's make it! This technique will help you draw a horse or a unicorn depending on how magical you're feeling. The first thing that I like to do is to imagine or actually draw out 2 circles when I'm drawing a horse head. So I draw a big one, and then right next to it, a smaller one. Once I have those shapes in, I can go ahead and outline the very top, connect it, and outline the very bottom. Now I'm gonna add in my ears. Next, I'm going to add in the neck of my horse, which I'm gonna start in pencil. So the neck's gonna kind of go this way and this way. The reason I drew them in pencil is because I actually wanna add my hair first with my marker because it will overlap those lines. So I'm just finishing them up after I have all the hair in. So I like to do a little bit of hair right up top. Maybe a cute little bang. And then I add it in sections like this, down the neck of my horse. And since it's a unicorn, I like to add a little pizzazz, you know. Once the hair's in, you can go ahead and finish any of those necklines. Now I'm gonna erase all of my pencil marks. Add in some nostrils. And then our eye, and again, this is a unicorn, so I'm gonna make the eye a little extra magical. Yes. Like there's long, beautiful lashes. So pretty. And sometimes I do a line right there too because horses' noses are really long. Now it's the best part, the horn. Straight line up, kind of at a diagonal, and then I like to go like this. There you go, a magical unicorn drawing ready to color. This is such a fun one to draw and color together. If you want to do more drawings or make so much more stuff with me, we make all sorts of stuff in the studio. Just search for Kylee Makes It, K-Y-L-E-E, that's me. And one of the easiest ways to always know when there's a new thing to draw or make together is to subscribe to this channel and like this video. I sure like making things with you, and I can't wait till next time we hang out. See you soon.